Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add multiple charts in TradingView. Let's get started. First, open TradingView and load the main chart you want to start with. In my case, I've selected ExxonMobil as the primary chart. Now, look at the top left corner of the chart. You'll see a small plus icon next to the symbol name. Click on it. A search bar will appear. Type the name or symbol of the stock you want to add, like Apple, AAPL. Once selected, the new stock will be added to the same chart. By default, the new stock may appear as a line chart. To change its appearance, hover over its label on the chart. Click on the gear icon and go to Style. Here, you can select it to candlestick, bar, or any other format, just like your original chart. You can repeat the same steps to add more charts. For example, search for Tesla, TSLA, and add it as well. Each symbol can be customized individually in terms of color and chart style. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.